Hey divas, so in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a demo and a review on this new product. This is the Fenty Beauty body sauce. So I want to go ahead and share with you guys what I think about it and whether or not I think you guys should pick it up. So yeah, if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in today, we are going to be trying out a new product by Fenty. It did come out like a couple weeks ago, but I'm just now getting around to it. So anyways, this is the Fenty Beauty body sauce. This is a body luminizing tint. They did state that this is not for your face, so if you try this out, don't put it on your face, or at least I won't be putting it on my face. So anywho, here it is in the box. I did get the shade Cinnamon Sizzle. They do have a scale to where you can pretty much just like match up your shade with it. I kind of just like got my own shade. I just got what I felt would be best. So yeah, but anyways, I think it does fall in the correct category, but this is what it looks like. So if you guys don't know, I was a super big fan of the Body Lava. I have all of the Body Lavas that have come out and I really love them. So as far as size, they still give you a lot of products, which is really good. The packaging is just a little different, as you guys can see here. And once again, I got Cinnamon Sizzle in 06. So I'm super excited to just try this out. I'm going to be using the 160 Face and Body Brush by Fenty Beauty. So yeah, let's just try this out. So I am going to apply it to this part of my body just because I feel like we're going to get the most results. Because I do have tattoos on this side, so I feel like it's kind of hard for you to see, so I'd rather put it on the blank canvas. But yeah, like I'm just super excited to try this out. I'm just gonna go ahead and use one pump. Oh, I guess I gotta, oh there it goes. So I'm gonna use one pump of this on this side. So actually I'm just gonna start off on my arm. So far I'm not really seeing a difference. I kind of want to just use a traditional foundation brush. Okay, so instead of the other brush, I decided to get this one. This is the Morphe M439 brush. I absolutely love this brush for applying foundation, so I figure I would love it for this. I just didn't like the way the other one was applying, so let's go ahead and apply it. One thing that I am noticing is that it is giving me a little bit of tint, which I am not mad at all. And I don't feel like it looks crazy with my foundation shade either. So that's really good. Now, as far as like covering up blemishes, I'm not sure if it's going to do that because I do have a few blemishes in this area. I don't know if I have to like build it up, but I'm not noticing that. But I am liking the nice little like tint that it's giving me. Like I feel like it's giving very much like this is my summer skin, because as you guys can see, I stopped right here and over here it's looking like a lot like this, looking like winter, and it's looking like summer over here. So yeah, I am really liking that so far. So I do really like the tint. So yeah, I'm glad I got this color because the tint is like really beautiful. I'm loving how like bronzy that I look, because just yeah, this is looking gorgeous. So I am gonna build it up to see if it will go ahead and cover my blemishes. So I'm just gonna distribute that. So let's see. Okay, so it covers it up a little bit. So I would say like if you want to cover blemishes, it is gonna be kind of like a more of a medium coverage. So I do like that. I'm not mad at it at all. I feel like it does look definitely really good. So yeah, I'm just loving how it's giving me like that tan summer body effect. So yeah, I'm liking that so far. So this is what it looks like on this side. I am gonna go ahead and place it on this side to see like how it looks and everything, and also to give this time to dry so that I can come back and do like the transfer proof test with you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to this side, then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have applied it to the other side. As you guys can see, it looks so good. I just love how it just makes my skin look so beautiful and bronzy and just very glowy. So I do have a paper towel here because I want to see if this is really transfer proof. because the body lava definitely was not transfer proof. You would get like a little bit of glitter specks, like if you hug somebody or if you have like anything rub up against you. So I'm really curious to know if this is transfer proof. So I will show you guys. Here is the paper towel. Show you on both sides. So we shall see if it's transfer proof. Now I am pressing this in because just to see if it's gonna transfer, because you know your clothes touch you sometimes. So let's see the moment of truth. Wow, so I feel like, let me see. No, I feel like there's a little bit of transfer, like literally not much. That's what I'm showing you guys. So it's not much transfer, but I did get a little bit, and I'm really impressed. Like, this is really nice. Like, I love the fact that it's not that it's transfer proof, because you could wear this comfortably and like hug people and not have to worry about like, dang, like is my body tint gonna get on them. So I did want to compare the two a little bit, because I know people may have been on the fence about getting this one, because it's like, if I have the body lavas, then what do I need this one for? So I feel like this one is more of like just like body makeup. As you guys can see, like it, even with my tattoos, it kind of like blurred my tattoos a little bit, which I'm not mad about at all. Like it just looks, it just gives my skin like that beautiful finish, like that polished, beautiful, buffed looking type of finish. So I really do like that. I feel like with the body lava, this is more of like a shimmer. If you're trying to like make your body like more so glow, this does give you a little bit of glow, but more so coverage and a tint. So would I say if you have the body lava you need this? I would say yes. I definitely would say yes, because as you guys can see, like it gave me like a beautiful effect. I love how it looks. I also love the fact that it does not clash with my makeup, because I was afraid of that happening, because I was like, how do I know that this is gonna match? Because you know, like it can like, it could have like really went wrong. Like I could have been way too dark at the bottom or on my body, and then the makeup, but everything meshes well together. So I really do love that, and I just love the overall look that it gives, and I also love the fact that it is transfer proof. So overall I do really like it, and yeah, like it's a yes for me. But definitely let me know if you're gonna pick it up. Oh yeah, one last thing I wanted to talk about, the difference between these two is this one has a very subtle type of vanilla smell, in my personal opinion. Like, yeah, like this one has a very subtle smell, where this one smells like a fragrance, which I don't mind. Like I love the smell of this. Like this smell actually reminds me of summertime, and I really love it, because I don't have to like put on any perfume to pair with it, because I just don't like mixing stuff. But I really love the way it smells, but this one is very subtle. So if you didn't really like the smell of the body lava, this one definitely has something that's more subtle. So I did want to go ahead and mention that as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this product. I definitely love it. I feel like it has my body looking right. Okay, so definitely comment down below and let me know what you guys think, and let me know, did you guys pick up the body sauce? But yeah, thank you fabulous divas so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, so that I know that you guys like videos like this. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.